Need to replace the rear wiper blade on your 2007-2014 Ford Edge? It's a simple DIY task. The Edge uses a spoiler-mounted rear wiper, typically 12 to 14 inches. You have two main options: traditional rubber blades or longer-lasting silicone blades. Silicone blades can last up to 50% longer due to better resistance to weather. Confirm your blade size: 12 inches for 2007, 2011, or 14 inches for 2012 to 2014 models using your owner's manual or a VIN lookup before you buy. Let's get started. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface and turn off the ignition. Inspect your wiper blades for signs of damage like cracks or tears. Lift the wiper arm away from the glass. It's spring-loaded, so hold it firmly. Locate the release tab on the old blade near the arm. Press the tab and slide the old blade off the hook. Align the new blade's hook with the arm slot and snap it into place, ensuring it's secure. Gently lower the arm and test the wiper. No tools are required for this replacement. Always use blades rated for your climate. DIY replacement saves 50 to 70% compared to shop rates. The Ford Edge uses a hook-style attachment for its rear wiper blade.